Sophie and Alan have come up with an innovative new idea that they think is going to revolutionize the market. They want to bring their project to life by creating their own company. They are ready to begin their business creation adventure. Their first job is to prepare their business plan. But what is it? To answer this question, Sophie and Alan decide to investigate the definition of a business plan, the objectives and roles of a business plan, and the close link between a business plan and a business model. A business plan is a written document that describes the entrepreneurial project. The business plan is often referred to by the acronym BP. Preparing a business plan will help the entrepreneur to think about his or her project, analyze all the data related to the project, and make certain choices about the project and its direction. From the first seed of an idea to finally bringing the project to life, various different stages mark out the business creation journey. Firstly, every business startup initiative springs from an idea that has taken seed in the mind of its creator, who has seen an opportunity for his or her offering on the market. The entrepreneur then needs to define the project. To do this, he or she will define the business model, as well as the business plan, which is the last step in the business creation process. Now that Sophie and Alan know more about business plans, they're going to start writing their own business plan. The business plan shows how the product will fit into the company. Not having a business plan is like trying to build a house without a floor plan. But before embarking on their business plan adventure, Sophie and Alan need to know who will be responsible for this task and why. Then, they will need to understand the nuts and bolts of the business plan to be able to satisfy user expectations depending on the user's role: founder, banker, investor, selection panel. So, when should Sophie and Alan start drafting their business plan? The business plan can be prepared by the founder and the management team only, or with the support of an intermediary for the financial part, for example. We are going to look at the advantages and disadvantages of each of these two solutions. Let's start with the advantages. The founder and the management team have an in-depth knowledge and understanding of their subject. On the other hand, with the support of an intermediary, the fledgling company can often produce a document more quickly and in a style better adapted to the investment world. In addition, the intermediary knows the market, but is external to the company, so can assess the project objectively. Now, let's look at the disadvantages. We have just seen that the intermediary will be able to consider the project objectively. The founder and his or her management team may lack this objectivity and distance from the project, particularly if they are working alone. In practice, we may realize that the proposed scenarios are sometimes overly optimistic, to say the least, and are not in line with reality. On the other hand, a business plan prepared with the help of an intermediary may lack originality and uniqueness. Business plan is addressed to 4 key users. But how are they split? Congratulations! That's the right answer. The business plan's internal users are the project owners. The 3 external users are the bankers, investors, and selection panel. We have seen that there are several steps between coming up with the idea of creating a company and actually bringing it to life. At what stage does the business plan come into play? Remember that the business plan is the last step in the business creation process.